first time. Don't want you to be scared and be like, I ain't doing this shit again. I don't want to traumatize you.
On my wedding day, I never had makeup on. I looked at like fake lashes and like my lashes just went
I was so scared that my lashes was gonna fly away because it's windy. It's like into makeup since a young age. I used to be really insecure about my acne. So I used to like wear foundation to hide my acne. So welcome to Life with Zara. Where are you going? Okay, let's do this. Okay. Hey guys, welcome to Life with Zara. Go in the background. Okay guys, so today I'm gonna be doing the one and only. Can I still call you Mom Diaries? Yeah. Did you change it on TikTok to Mom Diaries? Because that's what popped up. Oh, awesome. The one and only Mom Diaries, Zubaida. So I'm gonna do her makeup today, and I might ask her a few questions just to make things interesting, you know. Okay, so first thing, Zubaida, do you usually wear makeup? Not at all. Special occasions?
I like a baby because I don't know how to do makeup, so now.
Are you ever interested in doing makeup?
Yeah, I don't like, no.
Do you only like do gloss or something?
Yeah, I do gloss sometimes.
Oh, okay.
Like eyeliner I will do, no? Like really, but not like really like makeup, you know.
Which is nice. I saw your skin is so beautiful, mashallah. Okay, so I'm gonna be firstly putting on some moisturizer to make sure that the makeup don't go directly onto her face. This is like a moisturizer in a gel form. So yeah.
I'm a bit bougie today, guys.
Yeah, I'm gonna be bougie.
Take a look at
Oh, you're making me nervous. Because now I need to like bring it because those girls are like photos.
But your makeup always looks nice, so mine is
Thank you.
also.
I always try different things. Okay, so I'm gonna do my makeup. I'm gonna do the steps that I usually do. So after I put on some moisturizer, I always put on the setting spray first because I like it. Just gives such a matte definition. So do your face like that. Okay, I'm gonna wait for that to dry. Okay, so now I'm gonna add on some foundation. I am currently using this smudge from Clicks. This is just an extra foundation that I have because like I always like to try out different foundations all the time. And if a foundation is too light, you don't have to worry about that because I'll just use some what do you call it, like contouring, just to like bring it all together. I'm going to be using a shimmer stick just so that I can make the foundation a bit darker and also bring out this beautiful cheekbones. This is what I usually use just to like bring it all together. So yeah.
What got you into makeup?
I've been into makeup since a young age. I used to be really insecure about my acne. So I used to like wear foundation to hide my acne because I'm fair. So it showed really badly. And the foundation would like cover it up, so the acne would still be there, but it wouldn't be as bad.
Than what it was.
Yes, and then when I started wearing lipstick, I saw all the attention that I was getting. Like I was just like that girl at a young age for wearing like this pop of pink lipstick, and then that just boosted my confidence. I was telling my friend Amira, our friend, the other day that when I dated Faisal, when we started dating, and there was a time he didn't see me without makeup for like a couple of months. Like even there was a time like when I used to go sleep at his place and I would wake up early and put on makeup. That's how insecure I was. Maybe it's because I watched a lot of TV also. I was that type, like it's dangerous for me to watch TV because that shit hits.
Because I remember there was like a movie where the girl like sleeping and then she was like it's early to put on makeup.
I would do that. I would do that shit. That's how insecure I was on my skin. I had acne my full eye curler. This is what I'm going to use just to basically bring out the lashes, because I'm not going to be putting on any fake lashes, so I'm just going to curl out.
It feels like so weird. You're gonna yank my eyes.
Yeah, I just wanted to do that before I'm going to go in with my... Sometimes I use blush for the eyes as well. Like the palette, whatever palette I have, I will like use it on everything. Like I won't get a palette for my eyes.
Or like the cheeks or what?
Yeah, like I'll use everything for everything, and it like works out.
Oh, my eyes are popping. Can I close my eyes?
Yes, you can close your
yeah.
eyes.
Because my eyes is like a...
Oh, sorry. I didn't even notice. So normal.
I think for me it's like not so normal. Like first time.
So I don't want to go too overboard because it is your first time. Don't want you to be scared and be like, I ain't doing this shit again. I don't want to traumatize you.
On my wedding day, I never had makeup on. I looked at like fake lashes, and like my sister's like, no, you need to put something on. You should put like little eyelashes. No? I don't know what they were.
Look at me. This thing.
And then that's all I had. And lipstick. But it was like a soft holding. Because I didn't know. And then I went to the beach and my lashes just went choo.
I was so scared that my lashes was gonna fly away because it's windy. It's like,
yeah, the wind is like very good today.
yeah. I'm gonna do this as quick as I can. So now it's time to just take some highlighter. Slight bit, even though I already used early on. And then then I'm gonna go in. I love silver highlighter. It's just like, look how all cheeks is popping from 4, you can see. And then some blush. Love it. Come a bit closer. Yeah.
You look like on the day when you did your on your wedding when you lost your makeup.
You have beautiful cheekbones. Like for real. I like to do the whole nose thing because it gives that whole blush effect. Like so natural.
So now
I'm gonna do the lip and I'm gonna come back because my battery is low and I'm so scared it's gonna go. Okay, are you ready? Close your eyes. Are you ready? Okay. Ta-da! Okay, so next time I'll do lashes. So what do you think?
I feel like I need lashes.
Look at the lid.
But it looks nice. And I like that it's not like, you know, like crazy, man. It's still like natural. Because for me, like someone that don't really make up. But it looks so nice.
Do you like it?
I like the lips. Oh my god, look is falling out.
Okay, let's just give it a photo moment.
I like it. This looks nice.
Okay, so I didn't get a chance to ask a lot of questions because my red light on my battery is flickering, but I hope you did enjoy this video. So what mustn't I forget to do?
Like, comment and subscribe.
Thank you. And don't forget to share as well. Bye. I really feel like the camera don't do justice. Like, can you stand by the brown door? Like, you don't see how... There we go. There, it's the light. There's too much light.
Nice. It's not like, you know, like wild.
I'm glad I wasn't the one to like score you, but like I love it.
Makeup is like
I love it myself. Next time I'll get lashes.
Yes, it will be popping.
I'm coming so close because I feel like the camera didn't do any justice.
See the eyes.
Yeah.
Just have a moment.
Yes.
Yeah.